Anna and Andrew, A Day at the Museum by Christine Platt, illustrated by Sharon Sordo. When Grandma comes to visit, Anna and Andrew's family tours the Smithsonian Museum of African American History and Culture. Chapter 1, A Special Guest. One rainy Saturday afternoon, Mama was in the kitchen making roti, Andrew's favorite meal. As soon as he smelled the curry, he did a wiggle dance and shouted, "Hey!" "Today's lunch is special," Mama said. "We are having a guest." "Who is it?" Anna asked. There was a knock at the front door. Mama smiled. "Why don't you see for yourself?" Anna and Andrew ran to the door and opened it. "Grandma!" Grandma reached down to hug them both. Papa's mother was visiting from Georgia. Mama's mother, their granny, lived in Trinidad. "I'm so happy to see you," Anna said. "Me too," said Andrew. "Can we bake cookies tonight?" "Let Grandma inside first," Papa laughed. "Of course we can bake cookies," Grandma smiled. "But then we'll have to go straight to bed. We have a busy day tomorrow." "We do?" Andrew asked. "What are we doing?" "You haven't told them?" Grandma asked Mama and Papa. "No," said Papa. "It's a surprise, just like your visit." "Tell us, Grandma," Anna demanded, "or we are going to tickle you until you do." Grandma was very ticklish. Andrew and Anna started tickling Grandma. Soon, everyone was laughing. "I give up," Grandma laughed. "I'll tell you. We are going to a new museum, but that's all I'm going to say. You'll have to wait until tomorrow to find out more." Museums have a lot of interesting things from the past, like dinosaur bones and old paintings. The new museum must be really special if Grandma came all the way from Georgia. Anna and Andrew couldn't wait to see what was inside. Chapter 2, All Aboard. Andrew and Anna finished tying their shoelaces. "Is everyone ready?" Papa asked. "Make sure you're not forgetting anything." "I'm ready." Andrew put on his favorite backpack. "Me too." Anna held Sissy, her favorite dolly. They were dressed alike, as usual. Anna grabbed Grandma's hand so they could walk together. "All right," Papa said, "let's go." They walked down the street to the metro. Andrew and Anna loved to ride the train. "Andrew, can you tell us how to get to the Smithsonian Museums?" Mama asked. Andrew looked closely at the metro map. "We need to catch the train on the blue line. Then it's 4 stops from where we are now." "Great job, Andrew," Papa said. Andrew and Anna often visited museums in Washington, D.C. The National Air and Space Museum was Andrew's favorite. He loved airplanes. Anna loved the National Museum of Natural History, especially the dinosaurs. "Are you sure the museum we are going to is new?" Andrew asked. "Yes," Grandma said. "We will be some of the first visitors." "Yay!" Anna kissed Sissy. "Now that we're on our way, can you tell us what it's about?" Grandma thought for a moment. Well, it's about us. Us? Andrew asked. Yes, Grandma said. We are visiting the National Museum of African American History and Culture. Chapter 3. Inside the Museum. The new museum was very tall and covered in gold. It sparkled in the sunshine. Andrew was very excited it was next to the Washington Monument. Wow, Anna said. It's so shiny and pretty. Welcome to the National Museum of African American History and Culture, a tour guide said. In all my years, I never imagined I'd see something so beautiful and important, Grandma whispered. She took a tissue from her purse and wiped her eyes. Are you okay? Anna squeezed Grandma's hand tighter. Oh, yes, Grandma said. These are happy tears. Let's get started. Today, you will learn how Africans were taken from their homeland and brought to America as slaves, a tour guide said. We learned about slavery in school, Andrew said. That was a really sad time. Indeed it was, the tour guide agreed. You will also learn about the great things African Americans have achieved since slavery. I hope you have a great time. Thank you, Grandma said. Walking through the museum was like traveling through time. Andrew and Anna learned about the civil rights leaders and the fight for equality. They also learned about the history of African Americans in the military and sports. The art exhibit was beautiful, and Grandma even danced with them in the music exhibit. Andrew and Anna could not believe their ancestors had done so many amazing things. Wow, Andrew said. Look. Everyone followed Andrew inside a room where a beautiful waterfall came from a bright circle in the ceiling. This room is where visitors reflect on African Americans' past and many achievements, a tour guide said. It's wonderful, Grandma whispered. Everyone stood quietly to honor African Americans. Andrew and Anna were very proud. Chapter 4. Snow Cones. People from all over the world loved to visit Washington, D.C., and many were taking pictures. Papa took a picture of Andrew, Anna, and Grandma in front of the new museum. Then they went for a walk on the National Mall. Did everyone enjoy visiting the museum today? Papa asked. Yes. Grandma, Mama, Andrew, and Anna said as they smiled. I am so proud of my ancestors, Anna said. Me too, Andrew agreed. Andrew and Anna saw an ice cream truck. Can we get snow cones? Anna asked. Please. Yes, Mama said. Andrew did a wiggle dance and shouted, Thank you. Me and Sissy thank you too, Anna laughed. Andrew and Anna went to the ice cream truck and ordered rainbow flavor. Mama, Papa, and Grandma ordered strawberry. They sat on the lawn at the National Mall enjoying their snow cones in the sunshine. What are some of the exhibits you enjoyed? Mama asked. I loved looking at the old dolls, Anna said. Sissy did too. I liked the sports teams, especially baseball. Andrew smiled. The old uniforms were kind of funny. Mama, what did you like the best? Anna asked. I enjoyed seeing how people cooked years ago. It makes me love Granny's recipes even more. What did you like best, Papa? Andrew asked. As a teacher, I enjoyed learning about African Americans' achievements. I cannot wait to tell my students. And what about you, Grandma? Anna asked. Grandma thought for a moment. I loved everything, especially enjoying a day at the museum with my family. Andrew and Anna hugged Grandma. Me too, they said. Me too.